In this video, I am going to make Punjabi style Kadhi Pakora recipe. So let's make it. First of all, take a deep pan and then add oil to the pan. And after that, add onions to it. After adding onions, fry it until it becomes translucent. Then add ginger and a garlic paste and saute it well. And after that, add whole spices like black pepper, cloves, cumin seeds, cinnamon sticks, black cardamom and a bay leaves, and then mix and fry it well. And then add splitted coriander seeds and stir very well. When all the spices are cooked well and fragrant, then add green chilies to it, and after adding green chilies, add salt, red chili powder and a turmeric powder and mix well until all the spices are well combined. When the spices are fried well, add water, and after adding water, mix it well and let it cook on the low flame about 4 to 5 minutes and until oil separates. Now add besan or a gram flour in another bowl, and after adding besan or a gram flour, then add soaked curd to it and then beat it well and beat it so much that it becomes like buttermilk, and then add water and mix it well again. Do this so that no lumps remains, and then put it into the prepared masala and cook until it becomes thickens nicely and let it cook for half an hour. Now add besan or a gram flour in another bowl and then add potatoes in it in the form of strips. Then add onions, green chilies, chili flakes, and then add splitted coriander seeds. After that, add salt, turmeric and a red chili powder in it. And after red chili, add baking soda and then add water to make a batter like a pakoras. Mix well and then add fresh coriander so that the basin is filled with air and the pakoras are well puffed. And then keep it aside. On the other hand, now put ghee in the frying pan and it heats up well. When it gets hot enough, add the batter of a pakoras or a fritters one by one to make a small pakoras or a fritters. Flip them so that they cook very well from inside. After cooking for 2 minutes, keep stirring them well so that they turn golden. When the pakoras are cooked well, take them out of the oil and pat them well to remove all the oil, and then add to the prepared curry. And let them cook for about 2 minutes in the prepared curry so that the pakoras become soft. Now assemble and garnish it with fresh coriander leaves and then serve it with boiled rice. So guys, if you enjoy my recipe and enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.